Hi everyone. So, I want to talk to you today about something pretty exciting. If you've been thinking about start an online business with AI, but you're not sure where to start, this is for you. Look, we all know AI is a huge right now. Everyone use ChatGPT, everyone talking about custom GPTs. But the problem is, how do you actually make money from this? You can't just tell people how you go use ChatGPT. You need actually sell something. You need a product. You need a website. You need a way to take a payment. That's where most people give up. So let me show you what I found. It's called AI Store Fortune, and it's basically a complete AI store in a box. What do I mean by that? Imagine having a professional website that actually already built, already loaded with 100 of AI products ready to sell, with all the description writing, all the downloads setup, payment processor. That's what this is. If you are not starting from scratch, you get in a complete store that's all ready to make sales today. Here what you actually get. A full WordPress website that's look professional, no same ship templates for people who trust and buy from. It comes with over 1000 custom GPT already loaded. These are ready to sell product with description, images, download link, everything. Plus over 10,000 AI prompts packaged as a product. You also get all boring stuff done for you. Legal page, a blog writing article already writing, even marketing materials like social media templates and promo code. Basically, you don't need to spend months setting up yourself. It's all done. And it's really simple to get started. You install the WordPress pack file, take a few minutes. Then you contact your PayPal, or Stripe account for accept payment, and then you start promoting it. That's it. 3 steps, and you have a real business. It comes with a $97, which honestly, for everything you get in, that's already a good deal. Plus, it's come with 30-day money back guarantees, so they're not risk. So here what I recommend. Click in the link in description below. It's take you to official page and start setting up today. If you found this helpful, subscribe and thank you for watching and see you the next one.